Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook an egg on a stainless steel pan. Achieving a perfect nonstick experience on stainless steel is all about proper heat management and oil selection. We'll start by preheating the pan to the right temperature, which is crucial for preventing sticking. Then, we'll add a suitable oil and ensure it's evenly distributed and shimmering, indicating it's ready for your egg. This initial setup is key to a successful cook. Once your pan is perfectly prepped, it's time to introduce the star of the show, your egg. Cracking it into a separate bowl first allows for a controlled and gentle transfer, minimizing splashes and ensuring a neat presentation. Keep the heat consistent at medium-low. This steady temperature allows the egg whites to set beautifully without burning, creating a firm base for the yolk. Now, let's tailor your egg to your preference. If you love a sunny side up, simply let it cook until the whites are completely set and opaque, leaving that beautiful, runny yolk. For an over-easy egg, wait until the whites are mostly firm, then carefully flip it. Cook for just about 30 seconds on the second side to achieve a perfectly runny yolk. A well-cooked egg should release easily from your properly prepped stainless steel pan. Use a thin, flexible spatula to gently slide it onto your plate. If you notice any minor sticking, a quick deglaze with a small amount of water while the pan is still warm will help lift any bits. Then, a simple wash with warm, soapy water and a soft sponge will have your pan sparkling clean and ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.